Hi everybody, it's Mandy here. Today we have one of my favorite plant boxes, plant mail from the Plant Club. This one is neat because it comes with a plant for a house plant, but it also comes with soil and a pot to put it in. It's pretty cool. Adjust the camera. I'm having trouble with the camera today. I don't know what that's all about. Alright, let's open it. A little bit of a sneak peek. I cannot pronounce the Latin names of these very well. It looks like hello. My name is Pilea peperomoides, aka the Chinese money plant. So it comes with a little factoid on how to take care. A little pamphlet on how to take care of your plant. That's cool. And it looks like we got another water plant. Last month was a water plant. I don't know where to start. Let's see. Is this the plant? I think this is the plant. Ooh, neat. It almost looks like lily pads. Let's take this off of here.
So pretty.
It looks like they trimmed it there. Oh, yeah, I like that. It's got a little shoot coming off here. Let's see. I want to read a little bit about it. Hello, plant friends. Coming to us from the same mountainous regions, that's the giant pandas, in southwestern China, this plant grows naturally in shady patches on damp rocks. Though losing its grip in native habitat, it's widely gaining tractions in homes, offices across the globe. Also known by the seemingly silly names such as the pancake plant, the UFO plant.
The UFO plant.
Above the soil, this plant is made mostly of striking circular leaves connected by long, springy peticule. Sorry. I'm horrible at pronouncing things. Keep an eye out for pups or baby plants like that little guy right there. And they can be transplanted into their own pots. It's a fun way to propagate and share with friends. In fact, early on, it was often given as a lucky plant or a friendship plant. Yes, Jack?
UFO means unidentified object or unidentified object.
Okay, unidentified object. Oh, right. And then in the bottom there are planting instructions. So let's see what the pot looks like. So I don't think it's a water plant, but I do think it looks like it is a plant that needs moisture. Comes with a bag of potting soil for potting it in its new pot. And it comes with a bag of goodies, a little marker and a pen for writing the name of the plant on there. I'm going to name it George. Oh! Oh my gosh, the cat! The cat was already sniffing it. Last time I got a spirea plant, and I swear it was like catnip for these cats. They wouldn't stay out of it. Thank you, Jack. And you've got a little strawberry candy, but this is really cool. Each month you get a little magnet. And you can keep track of your plant babies. The last one I had was named Janet. Jack is guarding George so that the cat does not eat him. Okay, and next, it looks like, okay, we've got pebbles to help with the planting and potting. And then I think the only thing left is the pot. So let's pull that out. Let's throw this over here. And here's the pot. Oh, let me find my scissors. Are you going to eat the candy, Jackie? I don't like that kind of candy. If you want it, you can have it. I don't like hard candy all that much. I'm more of a chewy candy or a chocolate.
I chew on them sometimes to try and break them up.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, you're a bite. You crunch on your hard candy?
Sometimes.
It was well packaged. That's a good thing. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's my favorite color. Oh, okay. This must have been what I was thinking. You put the water down here, and then you can put this, and since this is clay, it's porous, and it can soak up the water. And then, oh, it's so pretty. It's like an olive green, which is one of my favorite colors. Where's George? So this is what it'll look like when George is in there. Oh, it's so pretty. And I think it's heavy enough that the cats won't knock it over. Oh, and then we'll probably put these on the top of the soil. So this will look really nice.
Don't forget to put George back in the spot.
Okay, George will go up here. So you can see what I mean about it being a really neat plant box. I think it'd be a great gift if someone that you know likes to garden. Yeah, this is exciting. I have been trying to kind of wean down some of my boxes because I will be transitioning to day shift. I will be making less money. But I think I'm going to try this one for at least another month. I'm going to have more green plants, right? Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.